If you spend a lot of time on X, formerly Twitter, turning on dark mode can make browsing much easier on your eyes, especially at night. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on dark mode in X.com step by step so you can switch to the darker background in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to X.com, then log into your account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand menu and click the More option, which is shown with 3 dots. This opens up additional settings and options for your account. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the customization tools for your account, including display preferences. Next, click Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This section controls how X looks and feels, as well as accessibility and language settings. After that, select Display. Here you'll find the options for changing the overall appearance of the platform. Now look for the Background section. Under Background, you'll see the available theme choices, and to enable dark mode, choose Lights Out. As soon as you select it, X will switch to the darkest theme, which is great for reducing glare and making the interface more comfortable to use in low-light environments. And that's it, dark mode is now turned on in X.com, and your browsing experience should feel a lot easier on the eyes. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick how-to guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.